And Egypt women, pretty independent. They were treated well and they had legal rights. They stayed in their home, but they were allowed to roam. Called the lady of the house, they were mom to lots of kids. But what about the men? What did they do then? They ruled the house, now they ruled the house, now they ruled the house. Now in Egypt, men and women, both of them were independent. But the men, they worked outside and had many wives, got their jobs from their dads, worked outside and made crafts. Some had to work as slaves outside, and many wives, 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 many wives. How did they make money? Not by being funny. They worked the land and farmed. If you look what's on their graves, it shows you how they behaved. They liked animals, grains, and fish. And go get in their boats and take food pretty far away, though, to Africa, Europe, and the East. As they went in their boats, trying and ideas also flowed. Technology, art, culture, and literature written in hieroglyphs that we see on pyramids. They invented the calendar and wrote literature, 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 literature. The priests, they would preach. They would also teach their children formally. All the children learned to be good people in turn, to behave and focus well. But boys, they got a better deal, learned jobs from their dads as real. Girls, they had to work in the house. So that's some good and some bad Egyptian women rights they had. And they learned until 14 and could be queen. But it's the men who worked outside, had many wives for and gave them pride. How would you like to be in an Egyptian family? Family, 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 Egyptian, family, family, Egyptian, family, family, Egyptian, family, 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 Egyptian, family, family. How would you like to be in an Egyptian family?